channel. We are going to study today topic Basic of Thermodynamics Part 2. In previous video lecture, we already discussed about some basic of thermodynamics. Today we are going to continue this topic in second part. The slide is state equilibrium process. This is basic definition in the thermodynamics. What is state? A state is a set of property that describes the condition of a system. The set of property means that suppose this is state 1. At that state 1 the gas should be has some property like T1, V1 and mass. So this mass, temperature and volume is the basic property of this system at a particular state S1. We define the state 1. Then thermodynamic equilibrium. Basically thermodynamic, you can say the thermodynamic depend when all three equilibrium should be exist, like thermal equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium and phase and chemical equilibrium should be there. So when these three thermal equilibrium should be there in a system, then we can say that this is thermodynamic equilibrium. State, equilibrium and process. Process, the change of state from one equilibrium state to another. Suppose this is one state and this is another state, and the change, and this is path which is followed by from state 1 to state 2, and this whole path is from one state 1 to 2 is known as a process. Okay, and this is state 1. At state 1 the volume is V1 and at state 2 this volume is V2. Where there different processes will be there in the thermodynamics like that. Isobaric means constant pressure process. Isothermal means temperature is constant. Isobaric means volume is constant. Isentropic means entropy should be constant. Now isobaric process. You can see that the process during which the pressure should be constant. This is PV diagram. You can say that when you draw the constant pressure line which is parallel to the x-axis. So here the pressure P1 and P2 is constant, but volume should be changes from VI to initial to final. Isochronic process, you can also say that isometric process. Here this is constant volume process. In PV diagram you can see that the vertical line should be there. The vertical line should be there which is parallel to the y-axis. So the volume of constant for in PV diagram like that only. Then isothermal process. Isothermal process means the temperature are constant in TV diagram. You can see that the temperature are constant in TV diagram. Types of thermodynamic process. Cyclic process. Cycle means minimum 2 number of process required to complete one cycle. Okay, in which in the cycle initial and final point should be the same. This is point 1. From 1 to 2 this is one process, and from 2 say 1 this is another process, but initial and final point should be same for the cycle process. Now move to the next very important topics, reversal process. It is defined as the process have take place, it can be reversed. In doing so, it leave no change in the system and surrounding. Means the process once having take place, it can be reversed. There is no change in the system, leave the change in the system and surrounding. Then irreversible process, the process that cannot be returned both the system and surrounding to their original position and gives some effects to the system and surrounding. Adiabatic process, the process in which the heat flow to the system and out of the system is zero. No heat transfer from the into the system and out of the system, which is, you can also say that this system is perfectly insulated. Isentropic process means the process in which the entropy should be remain constant throughout the process. Polytropic means polytropic process, the process in which the heat transfer should be there and which is represented as the PV power n equal to constant. Throttling process, a process in which there is no change in enthalpy, no work is done in the process is adiabatic. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. If two bodies are in thermal equilibrium with a third body, if A is thermal equilibrium with a B, C, then B is thermal equilibrium with C. So A should be automatically thermal equilibrium at A and B. So if two bodies are in thermal equilibrium with the third bodies, they are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. Then point function and path function. When two coordinates are located on the graph, they define as the properties are the point function which cannot depend on the path. Like that, pressure, temperature, volume are known as a point function. But path function, which is depend on the path which is followed by in the process, like work done and heat transfer, is a path function. Already discussed about the thermodynamic equilibrium. When these three thermal equilibrium should be in equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium is there, thermal equilibrium should be there, and the chemical equilibrium also should be there. If these three equilibrium should be exist in the system, then you can say that the thermodynamic equilibrium should be there. Mechanical equilibrium means no unbalanced force should be there. Thermal equilibrium means uniformity of temperature inside with the surrounding, and the chemical equilibrium means absence of any chemical reaction. The potential difference of chemical should be constant. Quasi-static process. This is also known as a reversible process. A quasi-static process defined as the process in which the property of the system depart infinitely from the thermodynamic equilibrium. If the property of the system has a finite departure from the thermodynamic equilibrium path, process said to be the non-quasi-static. Means each and every state of the process should be in thermodynamic equilibrium. Then you can say that this process are the quasi-static process. If any state in between the process is not a thermodynamic equilibrium, you cannot say that this is quasi-static process. Condition for the reversal process. No friction should be there. Heat transfer through the infinite temperature difference. There is no spontaneous change in the system. Now all processes in nature are irreversible. Thank you. This is today for lectures.